Hello lovelies and welcome back. Alright, I am in the mood for some bickies and these ones are one of my faves of all time, Weekender biscuits. So what we're going to need is 125 grams of butter. We want to chop it up into a bowl and leave it sitting out till it gets nice and soft at room temperature. Going to need an egg, sultanas, self-raising flour, castor sugar and cornflakes. I'll write the recipe below as always. So while the butter is softening up, we're going to put 1.5 cups of cornflakes into a freezer bag, and then we're going to leave the top open so it doesn't pop, and we just want to crush them all down and then put them into a bowl and set them aside. Now we're going to get 1 egg in a small bowl and whisk it up with a fork and set it aside. Now into a bowl we want to sift 1 cup of self-raising flour. Now we add 2/3 of a cup of sultanas and just mix them through. Now once our butter is soft at room temperature, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We want to grab out some cookie trays and baking paper. Into our softened butter we want to add 1/3 of a cup of castor sugar. We now want to get our electric beater out and we want to beat it up until it's smooth. Once we've got it nice and smooth, we now want to add our beaten egg and we just want to beat that through until it's all mixed in properly. Once we've done that, we now want to put that mixture into our flour mixture and then we mix that in really well together. Okay, once we've mixed that in really well into a dough, I'm going to grab out a teaspoon measurement. So now we want to get 1 rounded teaspoon measurement full. Pull it out. Roll it into a ball. Like so. Then into the cornflakes. So once we've rolled our ball into the cornflakes and they look like that, you put them on your tray and you want to flatten them down a little bit. Once we've done that, we bang them in the oven. 15 minutes later in my electric oven. And oh my god mate, they smell amazing. Oh, this house smells awesome. So you just want them till they're beautiful and golden coloured like that. So if you've got a cooling rack, you can slide them onto the cooling rack. If you don't panic, just slide them onto the bench. So just up and like that and leave them like that to completely go cold and put the next lot in. Well, there you have it, lovelies. 28 of the most gorgeous little bickies ever. Morning tea, cuppa, heaven. Oh yeah, and the kids like them too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Toodles!